How to track steps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you install this application called Google Fit. So as you can see, I've already installed that on my device. So I'm going to tap on open. Now after tapping on open, it will lead you to the homepage of Google Fit where you have to select the email ID or the account that you want to associate with this application. Then tap on continue, and as you tap on continue, you just have to give your information about yourself over here. So the information lets the Fit estimate calories, distance, and the intensity of your activity. So you just get the coaching that's more tailored for you according to your health, your body, and what your physical activity are. So you just have to mention your gender, your birthday, your height, and your weight. Then tap on next, and then tap on turning on the tracking your activities option. So as you tap on turn on, you just have to give the access to the Google Fit. And then after that, it will lead you to the homepage of the Google Fit application where you can just give your daily goals, you have your weekly target, and you can just track all your steps on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.